Welcome to our WordPress tutorial course. Within this course, we're going to be taking you through from start to finish how to set up WordPress and how to use WordPress. You're actually going to be amazed to see how easily and quickly WordPress can actually get set up on a local host or on a live server, and how quickly and easily you can get going with WordPress. It's literally going to be under 5 minutes to get WordPress set up. So it's going to be unbelievable, easy, and straightforward. And then once you're set up on WordPress, we're going to be taking you through the WordPress dashboard, talking about how to customize the site and a whole lot more. My name is Lawrence, and I've been a web developer for over 14 years. I use WordPress on a regular basis to build amazing, effective websites, content-managed websites that users find really easy to use and interact with. The benefits of WordPress, there's a lot of benefits of WordPress and using WordPress. And one of the things with WordPress is you're up and running quickly, and just the amount of sheer content that's available at WordPress, how well thought out it is, and how easy it is to use and get going on WordPress. So once you're set up in 5 minutes, then it's just a matter of customizing your site, getting it to look like you want it to look. We're going to be going through all of this great stuff, how to flip through different themes, how to activate themes, how to add new themes, customize themes, add widgets, and a whole lot more. By the end of this course, you're going to be confident in using WordPress, adding content, and setting up your own WordPress site. Really easy to use. We're going to walk you through step by step, highlighting some of the more popular plugins, different customizations, different ways to add menus, and here's one of the different plugins that we're going to be adding in. So contact forms, SEO, backup. So all of these are very important plugins. There's also Jetpack that has a whole bunch of multiple different types of additions that you can add to WordPress, and Jetpack really does supercharge WordPress. So we're talking about that. And then also, of course, how to make posts, how to create new posts, how to edit your existing posts, how to add media, create a media library, pages, also talking about contents, talking about users, tools, different settings that you need to know in order to configure your WordPress site, and pretty much covering off everything you need to know in order to get going with WordPress quickly. So when you're ready, let's begin learning WordPress.